My name is Abed. Welcome to Mom's Table Restaurant. Actually, I'm being based here in UAE from 30 years, and I had the chance to travel around the world, and I visit 27 countries. Unfortunately, I did not enjoy the food. I found myself like every time I come back to Dubai, I go back to my mom, and I enjoy only my mother food. My mom is very expert in food. Actually, she like in our village back in Syria, if anyone like wanna do some big meal, will call my mom and say how I can do the waraq ainab, how I can do the mahashi, what the best recipe for the rice. So I said, why I don't take the recipes of my mom and I use them to let people feel really, with each bite that they are going back to home. So this is how I came with the concept of Mom's Table. All the food here made by my mom, recipes. People enjoying, feel like they are eating back home from their mother food, and everything here around about my mom. Even I draw her here on the wall.
Hi, this is Geetika, super mom of my super boy who's 2 years old. His name is Neil Nikhil Kutak, and he's the one who taught me the value of motherhood, and I'm thanking my mom also for being the strong pillar of support. The biggest challenge as a working mother is the balance between the work and the family life. But working in Scientechnic Lighting Solutions is a real blessing. I have a very supportive team, and a special thank you to my line manager Vaina for being so understanding.
Hi, this is Catherine, mother of 2 beautiful children. This is my eldest. His name is Ivan Patrick, who is 10 years old. And my youngest one is Jed Farrell, and he is 5 years old. The most challenging thing for me as a working mother is being miles away from my family, which is more difficult due to the current situation. And when homesickness strikes me, I just hug a pillow, hug it tight, and cry. Working in Scientechnic Lighting Solutions is really a pleasure. Aside from having a very luxurious environment, we're surrounded also by cool and professional colleagues. Thanks for having my back, Scientechnic.
Hi, this is Tehzeeb, and I am a mother to a 10-year-old daughter called Farasha, which is Arabic for butterfly, and she is super high energy as well, just like a real butterfly. I think one of the main challenges of being a working mother is time management. And I think actually working in an environment like Scientechnic Lighting Solutions teaches you that as well. So I'm very grateful to be working in an environment that is very supportive and understanding, because that is something, as my colleagues have very rightly said, is very essential for a working mother, because we need more time with work as well as with managing a child. And in today's workplace, it is crucial to have such a support system, both at home as well as work, because they are extended family.
Happy Mother's Day!